بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al Fatiha.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most gracious, the most merciful.
ملك يوم الدين.
Master of the Day of Judgment.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
It is you we worship, and upon you we call for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The path of those you have blessed, not of those against whom there is anger, nor of those who are misguided.
God bless you. Like the video if you believe this message contains some things that will help any magnificent abundance in your life. Please don't ignore it.